So, a new battery time for the Shadow. Went out and bought a battery today from Napa. It's a power sport battery. It's, it's a one-day indicator for a Honda Shadow. So if anybody recommends a better battery, please be my guest. Apparently this one's not ready. They said someone got the... Yeah, so the battery acid is separate from the battery. That's lovely. Okay, how does this work? It comes with instructions. So I am not an expert in battery stuff. Yeah, sorry for the garage condition. It is what it is. Okay. Again, that's the battery. And we have a battery that's ready. Alright, so now we remove the seats and we're going to work. Alright, so that's what it looks like under the seat. Now we need to remove these screws and the ECU. To get to the battery, we also got to remove this side cover, which for me is a pain in the butt because I have my lights wired into it. So, first things first. There's our battery. So we remove the cover. The ECU's over here. We can just push that to the side. Alright, so now these two wires are for my lights underneath. This was at one point a toolbox, and I removed the cover for it so I could stuff most of my lighting wires in here. So I'm gonna have to make sure that that doesn't get screwed up. you. That's Miami for you. Right there. And so, yep, blue skies and pouring rain. And they say riding season is 365 in South Florida. Test. So we got the battery in. It's very perfect. It flushed, all sealed up. Negative, positive, key. We want lights. We have lights. We work. Wait, that's not the other lights. They work beautifully. We got the cover back on, we got the ECU back in there. Comes out the same exact way it went in. Now we put the seat back and that's it. Oh, and the damn cover. Just now I have to figure out how to zip tie it.